Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Welcome back to a brand new video. So this video is going to be my English board exam vlog. So as you guys know, my board exams are starting from tomorrow. Today is the 21st of February and tomorrow 22nd of February is when my board exams start. So I am a 12th grader from CBSE and my exams are starting from tomorrow and I'm kind of excited for it and even nervous because it's obviously 12th grade board exams, and excited because it's board exams. Like, I really enjoy giving boards. Even in 10th I really did enjoy that. But yeah, let's see how this time goes, because last time we had like two boards, term 1 and term 2, so we kind of got used to the board pattern by giving it twice. But this time it's like only once and that's all, nothing else. So let's see how it goes. And this time my timetable is a little bit hectic. Like, first I have my English and then on 26th I have my AI, and right the next day, like, I don't have a study break and I have chemistry. So yeah, the timetable is kind of weird this time. But the best part is that my exams end on 9th of March, which is quite early than expected. मुझे लगा कि पूरा March मेरा exam चलने वाला है, but on 9th of March it is ending and my last exam is math. तो मेरा 27th को chemistry है, फिर 4th को मेरा physics है, then 5th I have my HVM and 9th I have math. So I have quite decent study gaps, like 4 day study gaps between all subjects except chemistry. Chemistry में कोई study gap भी नहीं है. So that is why I'm trying to, keep all my stuff prepared beforehand. Like for AI, I'll only give 1 day or probably like half a day for AI. I'm not even gonna give one whole day because AI basically does not really have a lot of things to do and the number of chapters is also very less. So yeah, we will be showing you that whole entire thing. For now, I'm currently having milk. This is Boost. And it is currently 8:45 in the morning, and now we will sit down and start studying. So let's get started. I ain't got a single damn left in me, 'cause I'm tired of being sort of fantasy. And I certainly don't believe in destiny, but sometimes I wonder if it's meant to be. At this point I feel I got a history with how I fall too hard with boys initially. I'm trying not to take it too personally. Maybe the romantics just ain't it for me. Like, how did I become a lesson? I'm not the type of girl you question. Can't even tell you why I'm stressing. I know I probably should've mentioned I gotta feel someone you can't forget. I know you're still upset. Okay guys, so it's been quite a while. It's currently 9:54 and many of you have been asking me that how am I exactly preparing for my English exam. So honestly speaking, I'm not really doing a lot in my English because मैं बस बेसिकली चैप्टर को एक बार पढ़ रही हूँ. आई एम वॉचिंग अ वन शॉट ऑल्सो जो समरी बताता है, एंड देन क्वेश्चन आंसर्स. दैट्स इट आई एम डूइंग. एंड देन फॉर क्रिएटिव राइटिंग आई जस्ट प्रैक्टिस अ फ्यू क्वेश्चंस अभी थोड़ी देर में, वंस आई एम डन विद द लिटरेचर पार्ट. मेरा फ्लेमिंगो ऑलमोस्ट हो गया है, बट आई नीड टू स्टार्ट विस्तास के चैप्टर्स थोड़े कंफ्यूजिंग है, तो विल बी डूइंग दैट एंड उसके बाद विल स्टार्ट विद क्रिएटिव राइटिंग. सो लेट्स सी हाउ द क्रिएटिव राइटिंग गोज, बिकॉज ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग सैम्पल क्वेश्चन पेपर के questions थोड़े difficult है. I mean, there is not a single straightforward question. All the questions are so twisted, so I need to practice a lot for that. And I have this book which has a last 10 years के sample paper. I had showed you guys that book in my previous videos also, so I'll be using that for my English practice. So yes, now let's take a small break. I'll eat something because I'm hungry, and then we'll get back to studying again. Hi guys, what's up? So I'm currently having some coffee. It is 2:47 right now, and I just got done with my whole entire creative writing section and Flamingo. So Flamingo is done, creative writing is done. I just need to do Vistas. तो उसके chapters थोड़े complicated होते हैं, but there are not a lot of them. So I'll do that right now after having this coffee and a nice 5-10 minutes break. And after that we need to go downstairs and get some good pens, because me being dumb, I just realized that we can actually use gel pens in board. पहले मेरे पास image थी like since 10th grade, because my old school they never allowed us to write with gel pens, because they told us that's not allowed for board exams. But I just saw the admit card. My friend was asking me that, "Arey, is ball pen the only option, and can't you write with gel pen?" So I was like, "No, it's not the option." But then she told me that admit card में तो सब दिया है, and I actually read the admit card, and उसमें हम सारे pens use कर सकते हैं, like ball, gel, fountain, anything you can use. So I'm gonna go get some good gel pens, because honestly speaking I prefer gel pen more than ball pens. So we'll do that. And yeah, now I'll take you guys along this whole entire day, what all we do to prepare for our English board exams. So first let us drink this coffee, and then I'll meet you guys once again when we start studying. Hey guys, I'm currently downstairs and I don't know how much you can hear me because it's too chaotic here, but I'm now going to the market to get my pen. एंड या लेट्स सी व्हाट ऑल वी गेट. एक तो इतना कंफ्यूजिंग होता है, वो शॉपकीपर ऐसे, एक तो इस समय पे ज़्यादा लोग नहीं आते, तो शॉपकीपर बेचारा वेट कर रहा होता है, मेरे को कोई पेन पसंद नहीं आ रहा होता, तो मैं एक एक पेन ट्राई करके लेती हूँ. तो हाँ, let's go get that and we'll see you guys after some time. I'll show you guys what all I'm going to be carrying for my boards, for the 10th grade rituals. Okay, मैंने जितने videos 10th में बनाए थे हम उसको recreate करेंगे. तो yes, let's go. Okay guys, now time for a mini haul of what all I got. It's actually going to be a very mini haul because I got really less stuff. First I got this Trimax का refill. मेरे को याद है कि मेरे पास एक Trimax था, तो उसका भी refill ले लिया मैंने. And then I took these two. These are the OG blue gel pens, Pentonic. वैसे मुझे ये वाला लेना था, ये if you guys can see, Rorito Amazer Gel. इसका ब्लू पेन उनके पास था नहीं, एंड ये मेरा खत्म हो गया, तो आई कैन नॉट रिस्क इट टू टेक टू द बोर्ड एग्जाम, क्योंकि आधे में वो खत्म हो जाने वाला है. एंड दैट इज व्हाई आई हैव टेकन दीज 3. एंड अभी मैं थोड़ी देर के लिए और पढ़ूंगी. आई विल वंस अगेन रिवाइज अ फ्यू लिटरेचर के चैप्टर्स, बिकॉज मेरा ये क्रिएटिव राइटिंग पूरा हो चुका है, तो आई जस्ट रिवाइज थोड़ा बहुत. आई जस्ट लुक एट अ फ्यू सैम्पल पेपर्स जो लास्ट ईयर के हैं. एंड विल सी यू गाइज इन द इवनिंग वंस आई एम पैकिंग अप माई बैग एंड सेटिंग अप what all I'll be taking for my examination. Hi guys, good morning. It is currently 4:20 in the morning and today is my English board exam. I'm talking this low because everybody is asleep obviously at this early in the morning. So I'm awake this early so that I can once again revise my English syllabus. So I'll be going through the sample paper once again. I'll go through the poems once again and the formats for the creative writing. So let's get started. Time for a quick update. It is currently 5:53 in the morning and I am done with my English revision. It was quite quick. मतलब मेरे को ज़्यादा टाइम ही लगा. मैंने सारे लिटरेचर के कर लिए, मैंने सारे ग्रामर के कर लिए, हर चीज़ हो चुका है. तो आई वुड बी जस्ट shutting down all this. I'll clean my bed, I'll clean my desk because my desk is an absolute mess at the moment because I haven't cleaned it for I guess a week or something. और उस पर dust है, उस पर बहुत सामान है, तो I'll clean that. I'll just relax for some time and then let's see what all we do next. We'll do our basic morning course. मैंने तक brush वगैरह भी नहीं किया है, तो मैं जाके brush करूँगी. And yeah, let's figure out what all we'll do for the rest of the morning, and then we have to leave home by 8:30. So at the end, like at 8 something, I'll start getting ready for school, so, for my exam, not school. So yes, let's get started. really quick what I'm gonna be taking for my exams, because I could not really pack my bag yesterday and I couldn't show it to you guys. I mean, I have all the things set, but I haven't kept them on a single place. So let me quickly show you what all I am gonna be taking. So first, a transparent pouch with these many pens. So इसमें जो मैंने कल पेन्स दिखाए थे वो है, और मैंने प्रीवियस वीडियो में भी थोड़े दिखाए थे तो वो सब है. एक स्केल, इरेजर, pen pencils. I prefer using pen pencils or lead pencils, whatever you call those, because उसको बार बार sharp नहीं करना पड़ता and it is quite handy and I'm more comfortable to write with those. So this is all that I'm gonna be carrying in my pouch. This is for the English exam. Maths के लिए इसमें compass और बाकी सारी चीजें ऐड हो जाएगी. Then एक बड़ा स्केल, दिस इज यूज फॉर द मार्जिन्स एंड बाकी सारी लाइन्स वगैरह जो लगानी पड़ती है. उसके बाद माई एडमिट कार्ड विच इज राइट हियर. आई विल बी कैरिंग दिस. सो बेसिकली आई विल बी कैरिंग ऑल दीज थिंग्स इनसाइड अ ट्रांसपेरेंट फोल्डर, and this is the folder. It is in a bad condition, I know, because you just ignore that, but this is the folder I'll be carrying. And because bags वगैरह allowed नहीं होते, and if you take bags you have to keep them outside the center, which is not what we wanna do, right? So I'll just keep all these things inside my folder and the scale, and I'll just carry a transparent water bottle. I'll go check for that कि कौन सा लेके जाऊँगी, and that is it for what all I'll be carrying for my board exam. So yes, now I'll straight up meet you guys once we are back from the examination. Now I'll go quickly get ready and leave for the exam.
Yes, we're going for exam.
Bye, see you after exam.
हेलो एवरीवन, अभी मैं हो चुकी हूँ रेडी. अभी की आज फर्स्ट पेपर है इंग्लिश की, और बोर्ड आज से बोर्ड स्टार्ट हो गया है. तो ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट टू ऑल ऑफ यू. और मैं जा रही हूँ को लेने स्कूल से. उसकी एग्ज़ाम ख़त्म हो जाएगी अभी 1:30. 12:30 ऑलरेडी हो रहे हैं, तो मैं थोड़ा सा लेट हूँ. मुझे हाफ एन आवर 45 मिनट्स लग जाएगा पहुँचने में. तो फिर चलो फटाफट चलते हैं और पूछते हैं अभी से उसकी पेपर कैसी गई. सो अभी मैं पहुंच गई हूँ स्कूल, और अभी है 10-15 मिनट्स बचा हुआ है शांभवी को छूटने के लिए. तो मैं थोड़ा जल्दी आई बिकॉज यहाँ पे फिर इतनी रश हो जाएगी, इतना कार पार्किंग की प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी. तो फिर मैं इसकी वजह से थोड़ा जल्दी आ गई हूँ. तो अभी 10-15 मिनट वेट करते हैं और फिर बेटू आएगी तो मिलते हैं, पूछते हैं उससे कैसा गया पेपर. आप लोग भी बताना कैसा गया पेपर आपका, फर्स्ट पेपर, और फर्स्ट पेपर क्या था ये भी बताना. हाउ वाज योर पेपर?
वेरी नाइस, गुड.
फाइनली शांभवी आ गई है और हम जूस पी रहे हैं, वाटरमेलन जूस.
अब मेरे को वो सड़ू इंग्लिश नहीं पढ़ना पड़ेगा, हो गया मेरा उससे. Hi guys, so I just came back from my board exam. I just changed into some comfy clothes and I washed my face and stuff. But now it is time to give you guys an overview of how my exam exactly went. So the exam was really good. The paper was also nice. I got set 2, by the way, if you guys are wondering. And it was pretty decent, it was not bad, but the thing was कि बहुत लेंदी था. तो like from the starting till the end I was continuously writing in my top max speed. वरना मेरा पेपर छूट सकता था, लेकिन नहीं छूटा. मैंने पूरा लिखा पेपर, एक एक क्वेश्चन सॉल्व किया. दिस इज अ टिप कि कभी भी बोर्ड एग्जाम में यू शुड नॉट लीव एनी क्वेश्चन अनअटेम्प्टेड, बिकॉज इसमें नेगेटिव मार्किंग नहीं होती. सो यू शुड ऑलवेज ट्राई समथिंग कि उस टॉपिक से रिलेटेड जो भी आता हो एटलीस्ट यू राइट इट. बट दिस टाइम आई वॉज क्वाइट कॉन्फिडेंट विथ माई आंसर्स एंड स्टफ, एंड आई हैव रिटन single thing, so I'm happy for that. Just the only place where I guess my marks can go is notice writing and letter writing. हो सकता है they might deduct my marks for some sort of format, I don't know. Like, that is also not sure. It totally depends on the examiner. And ऊपर से like letter writing मैंने इतना बड़ा लिख दिया वो जॉब एप्लीकेशन, मैं लिखे जा रही हूँ, बायोडेटा खत्म ही नहीं हो रहा. मैं कंटिन्यू, मतलब मुझे 3 पेजेस लगे वो एक लेटर लिखने के लिए, तो वो थोड़ा टाइम कंज्यूमिंग ज़्यादा था, बट देन बाकी सारी चीज़ें तो हो गई टाइम। मैंने पहले सेक्शन बी चालू किया विच इज क्रिएटिव राइटिंग, देन आई वेंट टू सेक्शन सी विच वॉज ऑल द राइटिंग पार्ट लिटरेचर, एंड देन आई वेंट टू सेक्शन ए। दिस वॉज माई वेरी फर्स्ट टाइम ट्राइंग दिस, बिकॉज अभी तक मैंने सारे एग्जाम्स लाइक स्टार्टिंग से, जब से मैं कभी भी एग्जाम देती आ रही हूँ, आई हैव ऑलवेज सॉल्व थिंग्स इन ऑर्डर, बट दिस टाइम आई सॉल्व द this portion pehle, this what do you call it, writing portion, yeah, the writing portion pehle. So yeah, that was the thing, and I guess we'll end the video right here. My next exam is AI, so we'll film for that as well, but उससे ज़्यादा important उसके just अगले दिन मेरा chemistry paper है, तो I need to focus more on my chemistry का exam, because you guys know, if you've been following me for long, chemistry is my weakest subject, so I need to work hard upon it, because अगर सब में marks अच्छा है but chemistry में नहीं आए तो इसे पूरा चला जाएगा. So we need to work hard for that. We'll obviously document that as well, and I hope you guys enjoy this video, and yeah, make sure to subscribe. You know, many of you are not subscribed, so go subscribe, and yeah, we'll meet you guys in the next video. Bye.